Lawmakers for Northeast Nigeria don vex say dem no include their region for federal government special agro-industry processing zone program. Dem tok dis one for one tok section after one emergency caucus meeting wey dem hold for National Assembly for Abuja. Senators and House of Rep members from Adamawa, Bauchi, Borno, Gombe, Taraba and Yobe State tok say the way dem leave Northeast out of the plan no make sense at all, especially as the region get serious power for farming.
Our potential in all aspects of agriculture and livestock cannot be overemphasized. Our region, the Northeast, is known for its enormous livestock and crop growth, contributing significantly to our country's economic well-being and gross domestic product. It is against this backdrop that we are extremely worried that our zone is excluded completely from the SAPZ program, regarded as a presidential priority project and a direct response to long-standing challenges facing Nigeria's agricultural value chain, including poor infrastructure, limited access to markets, and low value chain addition.
The lawmakers also yarn say even though Northeast na the biggest geopolitical zone by land size and e dey contribute well for farming and animal rearing, dem still no put the region for the first phase of the SAPS plan. Say for the first phase, na even 7 states plus Abuja dey benefit am, and states like Kaduna, Kano, Ogun and Oyo dey get 2 zones each, while Southeast, South-South and North-Central zone collect 1 zone each. One House of Rep member wey dey represent Chibok Federal Constituency, still para join, say dis kind thing dey happen too often. Say dem dey always leave Northeast for back when e reach federal project and appointment matter.
Northeast sub-region, as earlier highlighted, used to be the poor of the poorest region even before the advent of the insurgents, that is the Boko Haram. And our situation was further worsened by the activities of the insurgents. So if there is a single zone, as far as this country is concerned, that should be given the attention, the required attention, particularly with regards to issue of development and so on and so forth, is Northeast, because stability of one zone is a function of the stability of the other zones. In other words, stability of Northeast sub-region is very, very critical and important to the stability of the remaining 5 geopolitical zones in the country. So this is why whenever we see where we are being shortchanged, there is a need for us to draw the attention of the policymakers that we still exist as human beings and we deserve to be treated as.
Dem lawmakers still talk say if dem add Northeast for the SAPS program, e go balance things wella and e go make the program help the whole country better. Dem say na how important the matter be na make dem do emergency caucus meeting even though National Assembly still dey on break. Dem come still hail President Bola Ahmed Tinubu for how im dey continue the agro-industrial agenda, but come beg federal government say make dem do sharp correct the mistake and carry everybody along for development.
Lament the exclusion of the Northeast geopolitical zone from the processing zones despite its enormous agricultural potential cutting across all sector value chains in the country. 3. Appeal for the immediate inclusion of the Northeast geopolitical zone in the special agro-industrial processing zones, SAPZ. This is not only for fairness and inclusivity, but for the actualization of the lofty ideals of the present administration to industrialize Nigeria's agricultural sector and create sustainable jobs in the country.
Make una no forget say as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. Oyefemi Onosimwa, TMC News.